Hey friends, if you wish to know about the privacy and security settings in Edge browser on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the settings. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to privacy and search services. So the first one is tracking prevention, and I prefer to keep it at strict because otherwise websites can track my data. The next one is to clear cookies and browser data. So you can choose what to clear and the time and then select clear now. The next one is about privacy, the do not track requests and allow sites to check if you have payment methods saved. So I prefer to keep all of these off. Okay, require diagnostic data, help Microsoft improve. No, do not do that. Allow Microsoft to save your browsing. Do not do that. The next one is security, and then you can select this option to manage the certificates, protect harmful sites and downloads, and this should be checked. Actually, you know what, the interesting part about the security section is that, be it's about the scareware blocker or DNS, the settings that should be checked are already checked, and the settings that should not be checked are usually not checked, but except for one, which is to automatically switch to more secure connection. So if you check this, it will not let you use HTTP websites. If you uncheck it, you will still get a warning, so you can choose accordingly. Next one is about cookies. So you can choose the option to block third-party cookies, but a lot of websites will malfunction. Okay. And the last option is for site permissions. So whether you wish to give permissions to site or not is your choice. You can choose accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.